Hello everyone, this is Genevieve. My topic for today will be Future of IPv6 or Opportunities and Challenges. So, factors behind the success of Internet. Number one, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. These protocols provide standards in using the Internet considered as a communication language. IP is used by various computers which the use of network. So, TPC protocol used for or stands for Transmission Control Protocol, a communication standard that enables application programs and computing devices to exchange messages over a network. It is designed to send packets across the internet and ensure the successful delivery of data and messages over networks. So, how is Transmission Control Protocol like Internet Protocol? TCP is a component that collects and reassembles the packets of data, while IP is responsible for making sure the packets are sent to the right destination. TCP or IP was developed in the 1970s and adopted as the protocol standard for ARPANET, the predecessor to the Internet, in 1983. So, what is IPv6? So, IPv6 Internet Protocol version 6 is the most recent version of the Internet Protocol, the communication protocol that provides an identification and location system for computers on networks and routes traffic across the Internet. IPv6 it is the newest version of Internet Protocol which follows the growth in the Internet. It is an upgraded version of the version 4 that focuses on the security issues and mobility features. So, why is IPv6 needed? So, the primary function of IPv6 is to allow for more unique TCP or IP addresses identifiers to be created. Now that we've run out of the 4.3 billion created with IPv4, this is one of the main reasons why IPv6 is such an important innovation for the Internet of Things. So next will be, what are some of the features of IPv6? So A, provided an Internet Protocol Security support. So Internet Protocol Security or IPsec is a framework of open standards for ensuring private, secure communication over Internet Protocol or IP networks through the use of cryptographic security services. B will be lengthened version of the 32 bits to 128 bits. C, manual configuration is not required. D, moves data to an Internet Protocol version 6 extension headers. So IPv6 extension headers contain supplementary information used by network devices such as routers, switches, and endpoint hosts. To decide how to direct or process an IPv6 packet, the length of each extension header is an integer multiple of 8 octets. So this allows subsequent extension headers to use 8 octet structures. Next will be number 2, World Wide Web and Hypertext Markup Language. These links will lead to different data stored in a computer through a network. This gives access to the following content from resources called websites. So, Hypertext Markup Language or HTML is the basic scripting language used by web browsers to render pages on the World Wide Web. Hypertext allows a user to click a link and be redirected to a new page referenced by that link. Number 3, browser or search engines. Browser is a type of software program that give way to the World Wide Web in its capabilities in accessing data, while a search engine is a software that enables the user to search on the internet. So, it is a website through which users can search internet content. Due to this, users enter the desired search term into the search field. The search engine then looks through its index for relevant websites and displays them in the form of a list. So, according to statistics from Net Market Share, Statista, and StatCounter, the top 5 search engines worldwide in terms of market share are Google, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, and Yandex. Then, there are the opportunities and challenges. Number 1 will be the smarter cities. Because of the technological advances, cities will be able to use this in controlling different aspects of that is vital to the development of the community. So, a smart city uses information and communication technology, or ICT, to improve operational efficiency, share information with the public, and provide a better quality of government service and citizen welfare. Confident and progressive city plans people able to live and work within the city using its resources. So, here are 10 cities that are widely recognized as leading the way: the Singapore, Dubai, Oslo, Copenhagen, Boston, Amsterdam, New York, London, Barcelona, and Hong Kong. Then number 2 will be the access. So the internet allow us to have an easy access to information and data and enable us to control it. But with these capabilities, there are greater risks. It involves the violation of privacy and other cybercrime related issues. So Microsoft Access is an information management tool or relational database that helps you store information for reference, reporting, and analysis. Access can also overcome the limitations found when trying to manage large amounts of information in Excel or other spreadsheet applications. Then, access means to approach, use, or enter something. So, example of access would be viewing your bank account from your computer. It is defined as a way to enter or exit a place. An example of access is a road that connects to a house to highway. Next will be the governance. The government itself can make use of the internet in providing services for the citizens. In the presence of internet, governing a particular state is much easier as it provides resources and creation, reinforcement, or reproduction of social norms and institutions. Then, governance has been defined to refer to structures and processes that are designed to ensure accountability, transparency, responsiveness, rule of law, stability, equity and exclusiveness, empowerment, and broad-based participation. Then, it is defined as the decisions and actions of the people who run a school, nation, city, or business. Example of governance is the mayor's decision to increase the police force in response to burglaries, the process or the power of governing a government or administration. It is also denotes the use of political authority and exercise of control in a society in relation to the management of its resources for social and economic development. Governance is the exercise of economic, political, and administrative authority to manage a country's affairs at all levels. So next will be the security. It is still a challenge for internet to manage and handle large-scale data, which is mainly because of the wider connectivity of networks that is more prone to security problems. So, effective and reliable workplace security is very important to any business. Why? Because it reduces insurance, compensation, liabilities, and other expenses that the company must pay to its stakeholders, ultimately leading to increased business revenue and a reduction in operational charges incurred. So, it is also defined as being free from danger or feeling safe. Example of security is when you are at home with the door locked and you feel safe, freedom from doubt, anxiety, or fear. Confidence, something that gives or assures safety, tranquility, certainty, or etc., protection or safeguard. So number 5 will be the boldness or economy or e-commerce. With the internet integration in business, a company is able to manage its data effectively and in predicting sales based on the data given. Internet is widely used by businesses who wanted to keep track of their sales and the progress regarding the satisfaction and the development of their business progress. So e-commerce or electronic commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services, or the transmitting of funds or data over an electronic network, primarily the internet. So, these business transactions occur either as business to business, business to consumer, or consumer to consumer, or consumer to business. So that's all. Thank you, and God bless.